So now we will learn how to integrate Google Ads account with Trackocity. It's basically very simple. It will take only 15 to 20 seconds. Just come to the integration page and you will see Google Ads option here. Click on connect. Choose an email ID that you have your Google Ad account connected with. Click on continue, and now you should connect your ad accounts, Google Ad accounts with Trackocity. Now as you can see, I have all these ad accounts here. uh, Obviously they are blurred for security reasons and privacy reasons, but you will see a list if you have multiple ad accounts. So you can select up to 3 ad accounts in Tracosity. So I'm just gonna select this one and I'll click on submit, and that's it. You'll see a pop-up with Google Ads access message. It means that the integration is complete. One more way to check if the integration is complete or not, click on connect again. You will see the ad account that you have connected is showing up here. So it means that the Google Ad account is connected successfully.